Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I took a great website for you. This is one kind of software. You'll see the software review. I will give you the short discussion about the software. So I recommend this to buy it because of here a lot of features which that make deal for you. So you'll get the lifetime deal and you can buy from my description link here. You'll get discount if you buy from my link. So the software name is Kimola Cognitive. Okay. What is this? What about it? Just show me. Just tell me to show you. Let me tell. Kimola Cognitive is a no-code machine learning. No-code machine learning tool that gathers, analyzes, and classifies customer feedback to help you grow your branch. Wow, very good features. It's organized for Amazon Comprehend, Monkey Learn, and Determine. Okay. Analyze and classify consumer reviews with no machine learning tool. So, but gathering and analyzing text data to grow in brand is basically a full-time job. If you don't have the coding skills to streaming the process. So, create your own custom machine learning model by using a simple drag and drop user interface. Best for marketers, entrepreneurs, and product managers who want to machine a learning platform to streaming text data analysis. So here another features. It makes it easy to analyze customer reviews, product, service, and topics, so you can view better marketing strategies. Use drag and drop interface to analyze text in over 6 languages all without any coding. You can update data set to understand the most popular terms in categories like organization, people, and locations. You also have a report to reveal customer insight with powerful search and advanced filtering option. I think I have to thank the Timer Security Software because of all their browser extension, and you can use browser extension free. Okay, browser extension allows you to create consumer review data stats from supported media on the internet. Classifying conversations and analyzing sentiment is also a bridge. Just snap comments on media like YouTube, TripAdvisor, Epsom, and G2 to get started. And if you see another feature, if you want to from a gallery of ready, if you use machine learning models to monitor data with customer sentiment and hate speech analysis. Another cognitive is constantly publishing new machine learning models and keeping them up to date for different business needs. It always updated. It always updated. If you buy one time, it's one of the lifetime deal. So it always updated. You what is the benefit from it? Up to last. Automatically classify large database into pure machine learning models to process speech, customer feedback, and more. You can also a custom machine learning model by training your own database to better understand unique customer behavior. You can put all new custom machine learning models on kind of the cognitive and access them, view the user interface and API. So, last but not least, create your own data set and create custom machine learning models to tap into specific consumer behavior. Wow, very good features you can see there. So, use machine learning to power your results. So, let me show you the lifetime deal express what you will get from this. Features including all kinds of unit. You will get next analysis, ready to use ML models, deploy and train custom models, XLS, PSY, CSV file formats, API, browser extension, high scale, medium, custom utility. Here you see the license tier. You can buy this tier 1 or 2 or 3, whichever you want. Just buy from my officially here you get a discount. Okay. So I think Canva practically is the best software for you. I recommend to buy for a business. Thank you very much for enjoying my video.